Have you ever dreamt of studying in Melbourne? RMIT Bundoora might be the perfect accommodation for you that could turn your dreams into reality. Exclusively built for students like you, this apartment offers studios and 3 to 4 bedrooms with private study spaces, desks, chairs, washrooms, internet access, and AC. It is accompanied by amenities such as a movie theater, an outside barbecue with an herb garden, gourmet kitchens, and a game area. Free laundry and secure bike storage will make your student life a cakewalk. With electronic key card access to all areas and CCTV security monitoring, your safety is always guaranteed. Students studying at Trobe University are at the advantage of being just a 15-minute drive from the spot. With well-linked public transport, you can reach anywhere around either for shopping, dining, or sightseeing. Make sure to visit the nearby Farm Vegano restaurant with your friends on weekends and try their chef's special salad. In order to balance your student life and your social life, all you need is to book a room at RMIT Bundoora. Connect with us at amberstudent.com to book this accommodation right away.